How do I touch the grass? I touch the sea kelp in the ocean.
Buoy.
Buoy. I go to this one Indian restaurant and they're like, what's your spice level 1 through 10? And every time I say 10, the guys look at me, they're like, are you sure?
Do you feel your eyes getting watery, or does it like leave you untouched?
Oh yeah, definitely. If I start sweating under my eyes, that's when I know it's bad.
I really want to try all the sauces that they're using on the show.
I bought the whole kit of like all the 10 spices on the show.
Oh.
The Apollo pepper technically is highest on the Scoville unit scale.
I'm really curious to see my reaction. I kind of have a feeling that I'm gonna be better than the rest.
You're building Buoy, that's how you pronounce it, right?
John gave me a lot of shit at first for it because I've been trying to force all these different ideas of like, see, no, it fits with what we're building. There's all these casts in the ocean and Buoy is monitoring what people are saying.
What's your favorite outdoor activity?
Definitely surfing.
What's your summer drink?
I've been liking hot water, sparkling water, but it has adaptogens and nootropics. Maybe I'll throw a jalapeno in there next time for you too.
What's your favorite summer song?
I've actually been liking Joey Valence a lot. Other than that, I listen to Spoon a lot. Like,
What do you want to have achieved with Buoy by the end of Unchain Summer?
I would love to be working on it full time. And I think the way we get there is we're really focused right now on building more features catered towards teams and companies.
What's your highest priority right now?
We're focused on getting a new plan launched for Buoy. We're calling it Buoy Inbox. Maybe someone posts a comment about Los Fomos and they're like, I love the show and all the interviews that you're doing. You could get alerted about that in Buoy. Take that feedback, find other folks that want to be interviewed.
Why did you decide to build on Farcaster/Base?
A big positive of Farcaster is that it's permissionless and that the data is open. So the biggest risk we are taking is not this historical platform risk, but it's will Farcaster be successful?
But let's say Farcaster dies, like the worst scenario, or the Warpcast. The protocol is still going to be open, so will we be able to even continue existing with whatever was left?
Today, if Farcaster suddenly died, I don't think it would continue existing because Warpcast is the dominant client. It's like 90% of usage is going through there, and if Warpcast shut down, it's hard to say. I think smaller communities might crop up, but we need the Farcaster network to hit 1 million daily active users or more for it to be like a sustainable business for us. So
Do you have an unpopular opinion that you want to share with us?
I don't know how spicy this is, but the most important thing you can do as a founder is have self-awareness and understanding of what your peak performance looks like. Then things become effortless as well.
What are your top 3 channels on the Warpcast to follow?
Definitely Buoy, surfing, and founders.
The
Shameless
list of-
self-promotion.
I would say the same for those forms. If it's not your favorite channel, then who's gonna be there?
Who would you nominate to join us next?
Uncle Davo, he's building a cool no-code frames builder.
Are you up for a challenge?
Let's do it. I'll go with blue.
Show us your favorite summer color. I already have an idea what your favorite color could be, but
Yeah, whatever colors are in a sunset.